Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. I am Saman. Today also we are going to do the question paper 2H of Mathematics of Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. In this paper we have discussed until the question number 18. Now today the discussion is on from the section from the question 19. Right, okay. Then the question 19 here. They say a equals 14 over 3x minus 7 and x equals 7 over 4y minus 3. Express a in the form p y plus q over ry plus h. So that is the question. Right, okay, now you start, okay. Then they say a equals 14 over 3x minus 7 and x equals 7 over 4y minus 3, right? Three fractions have been given. And the fractional equation, so two fractional equations have been given. A equals 14 over 3x minus 7, x equals 7 over 4y minus. Now this is asked to be, A is asked to be expressed in terms of this one, in this form. In this form here, y is there, but there is no x here. There is no x here. Therefore, we will substitute this expression for x, this one, for this x, and see what we can do. Right? Then we write here a equals 14, right? 14. Then you have to express it. They say in the express. Then after doing this, you have to get this one. You have to get something like this. A equals py plus q over ry plus s. This is the ultimate form of the answer. Then here in a, there is x, but in this a there is no x here. Y only in terms of y a has been expressed. So therefore, we will remove this x in this equation of a. Right? We will remove this that x. To remove that x, we will substitute this expression in y for x for this x. Then here 3 here. Then we substitute this whole expression for this x. Then it will be 7 over 4y minus 3. Then here this minus 7 is there. Okay, like that. Now we will remove brackets. Then a equals 3 times 7. And when you remove brackets, you multiply this whole fraction by this outside whole number. Then you multiply the numerator like this. When if you multiply like this, you get 3 over 7 multiplied by 3 over 6 multiplied by 5. If you can, you cancel this. Otherwise, what you do is you multiply this numerator. Then it will be part of 15 over 6. Then we do the same thing here because we can't cancel this 3 and these ones. So therefore, we multiply this by this. The 3 times 7 is 21 over 4y minus 3 and minus 7. Okay. Over 4y minus 3. Sorry. You made a mistake. I'm sorry. Right. Now, then here you write this 14 here. Then go to the denominator. Then here 3 times 7, 20. You can't cancel 3 and this denominator and you multiply this fraction. Therefore, you multiply this 3 by this 7 numerator, right? Then 3 times 7 is 21 over 4y minus 3, then this minus 7. Okay. Right. Now, we will simplify the denominator. A equals 14. We will simplify the denominator here. Now here, what is the denominator? We will add this. Then what is the denominator of this 7? That is 1. Then you find the LCM of this 1 and 4y minus 3. Then simplify the two fractions. Then it will be the LCM will be, because this is 1, the LCM will be 4y minus 3. Then 21 over no, we will leave it here. The common denominator here is 4y minus 3. Okay. Then you have to multiply this whole thing by 1 to convert this into common denominator. Then you have to multiply this 21 also by 1. Then it is 21 here. Then to convert this 1 into the common denominator, you have to multiply this 1 by this whole thing. Then you have to multiply this numerator also by this whole thing. Therefore, minus 7 into 4y minus 3. Okay. Then A equals how much? Here 14. Then here you can simplify, remove brackets. Then 21. Minus 7 times 4 is minus 7 times 4, minus 28. When you multiply two number of different signs, the answer is negative. According to directed number rules, so multiplying directed numbers, right? Then minus 28y. Minus 28y. Then minus 28y. Then again minus 7 times minus 3 is how much? Plus 21. Okay. Minus 7 times minus 3 is plus 21. Then over this 4y minus 3. 4y minus 3. Okay. Right, then we can further simplify this. A equals, then this 14, that is the numerator. Then denominator we again simplify. This 21 can be added there like terms of plain terms. Then 21 plus 21 is 42. 42 minus 28y over 4y minus 3. Oh, like that. Oh, we have done that. Now we know this one. When we have something like this, let's say you have let's say 5 over 6, 5 over 6 over well, let's say 7, like this. When you have when the denominator is a fraction, this fraction can be brought up as multiplication by turning this upside down. Then it will be 5 into 7 over 6, like that. Then dividing by 6 over 7 is equal to multiplying by 7 over 6. So like the same thing we are going to do here, like this. Here also, then we can hear this this 14 over a fraction here. Therefore, this whole fraction can be taken up, can be brought up by turning upside down, like this. A equals, then then 14 into then this turns upside down, that is this 4y minus 3 over 42 minus 28y, like that. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you multiply again this. Then you can take this 14 like this. You can factorize this. Here the 7 is the common factor for 28 and 42. 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 4 is 28. Therefore, you can take 7 as common factor for this. Then we will do that. Then I will take it here. Then this one like this. Like this. Then 14 into 4y minus 3 over 42. We can factorize this 42 as taking 7 out. Take 7 common factor out. Then when 7 is 42 is 7 into 6. Then 7 is taken out. Then it is 6 that's left here. Then minus. Then 28 we can write 7 into 4. 7 into 4. Out of 7 into 4, 7 is taken. Then 4 is left. 4 y like this. You can write it that way. Then you can cancel this 7 and this 14, that is 2 here. Then that is actually A equals A, no? This equals A. Okay. Then A equals, here there's 2 multiplied by 4y minus 3, and bottom you have, you can take another factor 2 out here. Then here we can take, we'll write here 4y like this. Then take another factor 2 out here. Then that is A equals 2 4y minus 3 over. Then the 2 is another factor, take it out. Then this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Out of 2 into 3, take 2 out, then 3 is left here. Then 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Out of 2 into 2, 2 is taken out, 1, 2 is left here, 2y. Like that. Then again you cancel this and this. Now what is left is this. A equals, right? A equals, what is left is 4y minus 3 over what? 3 minus 2y. That is in this form now. What is P? P will be 4. What is Q? Q will be minus 3. What is R? R is minus 2. Then what is S? 3. Okay. Right, found. Q19, this one. Okay. Q19 is done. Right. Right. Here A equals 14 or 3x minus 7. This expression for x was substituted for this x here at 7 of y minus 3. Then you remove bracket. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 of 4y minus 3. Then this minus 7. Here we denominator is fractional statement. Therefore we simplify it first denominator here. Here by taking this minus 7 and as a fraction minus 7 or 1, the common limit is 4y minus 3. Then here 21, here minus 7 into 4y minus 3. Then minus 14. Here then we remove these brackets. Minus 7 times 4y is minus 7 into 4y is minus 28y. Minus 7 into minus 3 is plus 21. That is so 4y minus 3. Then we simplify it here. 21 plus 21, 42 minus 28y. That is the denominator. 14 comes as it is. Then other part of the denominator is 4y minus 3. Right. Then we took this fraction up, turning upside down, 14 equals, then 4y minus 3 or 42 minus 23. Then what we did was we took the common factor here, that is 7. That is what we saw actually. We could have taken 14 at once, but we didn't see it. I immediately saw the factor 7. It was taken out. Here we cancel that with this 14, then 4y minus 3. And then I saw that there's another factor common, that is 2. It was taken out. Then that also was cancelled. Then you got the answer in its least terms, otherwise in simplest form, 4y minus 3 over 3 minus 2y, right? Okay, that is in this form. Here P means 4, Q means minus 3, R means 3, sorry, R means 2, minus 2, R means minus 2, S means 3, right? Okay. Right, then I want to erase that to take some space for the other question. Right. Now the question 20. There's a question 20. Diagram shows 4 identical circles inside the square. Each circle touches 2 other circles. Yes, this one taken, then this touches this one, this, and 2 sides of this one. See, if you take this circle, it touches this side and this side, and this circle like that, or every circle touches 2 other circles and the 2 sides of the square, right? Then, and the 2 sides of the square, then area of shaded region, the shaded region. That means area inside the square, but outside the 4 circles, is 40 centimeters square. Work out the perimeter of the square. This perimeter means this total length of the lines, straight lines forming square, right? Okay. Then correct 3SF, you have to find it, right? Okay, we'll do it, right? Question 20. Q20, okay. Now, then we take, because they are identical circles. Identical circles means circles are equal in size. Therefore, radius of every circle is R. This is R. This is R. This is R. And this is also R. Then you take the length of each side of the square in terms of R. Now from here to here it is R. Then from here to here it is also R. Then from here to here R. From here to here also R. Now this total length is equal to this total length, that is R, 4R. This side is 4R. As it is a square, then this side also must be 4R. Okay. They say no, it's a square, right? Now we will write a statement then or equation for this shaded region. How do you find the shaded region? Shaded area is the area of this whole square minus areas of these 4 circles. How we will write shaded area equals area equals area of square minus area of 4 circles. Okay, all right. Then, right, shaded area is given, that is 40 here. There's a 40 centimeter. Then 40 centimeters square here, 40 equals 40 centimeter square equals area of the square is length into breadth. 4 square into, sorry, 4r into 4r. 4r into 4r, then minus area of 4 circles, area of one circle, in every circle radius is r, therefore finding the area of formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r squared, then there are 4 pi r squared, this area of pi r squared, this also pi r squared, this also pi r squared, then this is also pi r square. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pi r squares. Then here it will be 4 pi r square. That will be the total area of 4 circles, right? Right? Okay. Then now 40. Then here it will be 40 equals 4 r into 4r 16 r squared, r into r squared. Then minus 4 pi r square. Okay. Now, if you want to find the what we call the perimeter of this, that is what it says. Work out the perimeter of the square. To find the perimeter of the square, you need to know what is this 4r. You have to find the value of 4r. Find the value of 4r. Right. Then we divide both sides by 4. There is this one is 4, and this one is 10. Then it will be 10 equals 4r squared minus pi r squared. Okay. Now take the common factor r squared. Then 10 equals r squared plus 5. Okay. Then I will find r squared. Then r squared will be here multiplied by 4 minus pi. Then take that to that side. You can division by 4 minus pi. Then r squared equals 10 or 4 minus pi. Okay. That is r squared. Then we will find r. R will be how much? Square root 10 over 4 minus pi. R, as r is a length here, r is a length, r is a radius, it's a length. Therefore, a length cannot be negative. Therefore, I didn't take the negative positive here. We got only the positive. I took only the positive value of square root, right? Then, now, what is the perimeter of this? We have found the r. Then perimeter, we'll write perimeter of square equals then perimeter of square. Then perimeter of square will be how much? Is 4r, 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 4r. Then there are 4 4r's. That is 4 into 4r. That means how much? 16. 4 times 4, 16r. Then that is the perimeter, right? Therefore, now this r value is substituted into that. That will be, then when this r value is substituted into that, this r, it will be 16 into square root how much? 10 over 4 minus pi. Okay. Now you simplify this by the user calculator. Answer is expected to be given in correct 3SF. Right. We'll use that 16 into square root 54.61. 54.61 here. 54.6110. Sorry, so 610. 54.610. Then they ask the answer correct to 3SF. 3SF means here first significant figure, second significant figure, third one. Third one is 6, fourth one is less than 5. Therefore, answer will be 54.6, that is centimeters. Because area is given in here, square centimeters, right? So that is the answer, perimeter of square. Right, correct 3 significant figures. Equal sign, okay. 40, then we wrote the shaded area, statement for the shaded area. Here, length of one side of the square is 4r. If the radius of each circle is r, then we wrote, then they say the shaded area is the area inside the square but outside circle is 40. Then we wrote a statement for the shaded area of the square minus area of the 4 circles. Then here pi r square, then there are 4 circles, 4 pi r square is the area then of the 4 circles. The area of the square is 4r into 4r, one side is 4r, then 4r into 4r. That is here 16 r square, this is 4 pi r square. Then there's common factor, that is 4, divided by 4 each and every time in the equation. Ultimately, we got 10 equals 4 r square minus pi r square, right? Then we try to make r the subject. If r square is a common factor, you took it out, and 4 minus pi into r square, then this division by 4 minus pi. It was taken as 10 again. This multiplication by 4 minus pi, it was taken to the other side as division by 4 minus pi. Then 10 divided by 4 minus pi. Then r equals square root this. R is that value. Then perimeter of this one is the sum of all these 4 sides. Then 4r. There are 4 into 4r. That is this one. That is 16r is the perimeter square. Then we substituted this r value into this one and took the answer 52.6. And therefore, that is the answer of this one. We don't have time to do the other part of the question paper. Therefore, I stop the video and have a nice time and expecting to meet you in another interesting video. Thank you very much for watching. Right.